Got me falling right back.
Welcome back. In our last video we learned about the anchor candlestick. If you haven't yet watched our previous video about the anchor candlestick, we strongly recommend watching it first before watching this video. And if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please hit the subscribe and bell button below. You will be notified when a new video is uploaded. Let's get started. In this video we're going to talk about reverse candlestick psychology. This is a powerful method of identifying where the pool of buyers and sellers are in the market. This is also known as a liquidity pool. Did you know that a single candlestick on its own is by its nature an area of support or resistance? Let us have a look at an example of a bull candle. The bull candle tells us there are a larger volume of buyers than sellers, nothing new here. But this information is based on something that had already happened. But how does this help us make trading decisions in the future? To answer the question you need to keep in mind of the following. The bull candlestick indicates to us a point where price has a waiting pool of sellers in the future. Let's explain what is meant by the above statement. Imagine you have just entered a buy trade and prices start moving up. Your trade is positive. However, you notice that prices are starting to move back down again. Your position is still positive, but the market is now moving dangerously close to your trade entry point. What would you do? If you're like most traders, you'll hang on to the trade and wait for it to move back up again. But what happens when prices continue to move even closer to your entry point? What do you think most traders would do then? They will attempt to get out of the trade at break-even. Most traders would have already moved their stop loss to break-even, or if not, will manually get out of their buy trades as soon as the market moves to the break-even price. And so, all the traders who entered a buy trade along this bull candle are now looking to sell to close the trade. The bull candlestick represents the range of prices where the previous buyers who are looking to sell or close their previous buy trade. To summarize, a bull candle represents the price range where there are a bunch of traders looking to sell. A bear candle represents the price range where there are a bunch of traders looking to buy. On a practical level though, it would be insane to apply this concept to every candlestick on the trading chart. A much better and more effective way to use this concept is in the situation where there are a series of strong bull-bear candles. Here is an example. Prices have been falling rapidly with a series of consecutive bearish candlesticks. This is where you have a large pool of traders waiting to buy or close their trade positions. Then, we see a bullish candlestick that indicates the buyers are now attempting to push prices up. If they manage to push the market up high enough, the previous sellers will exit their trades and will become buyers too. When this happens, the market will shoot up quickly, like a row of dominoes, as each closing trade pushes the market even higher. This is simple but rarely applied knowledge that can help you greatly in deciding if you should keep any existing trades open, or if you should consider opening a new trade to take advantage of such a situation. By the way, did you also notice the bearish anchor candle? Did you see how the bullish anchor candle close above it indicated a price reversal? Remember, although we have gone through all the videos to this point, each concept here separately, in practice all of them work and should be applied at the same time. Thank you for watching. If you found this information useful, please share my video with your friends. If you have any questions or suggestions, please feel free to leave me a comment below. And if you enjoyed the video, please hit the thumbs up button. And if you want videos like this, please hit the subscribe and bell button below. You will be notified when a new video is uploaded.